It's been a long time. Said that in the last maybe 2 videos or the 2 videos from before, I don't know. But I am back again. So as you guys can see here with the setup that I have right here. So it's not that I can't power these up with any regular battery or whatever. 9-volt battery or whatever. But like these are powering, giving out 9 volts. Well, right now, since I use most of this and some of this, it's equal to 8 volts, but 8 point something volts, 8.50 some volts. And then I have 2 of those high voltage boosters that you can probably get on eBay or Amazon for a cheap price. But you see, I do have a spark gap in between them, and as I said, I have them actually connected in parallel on both sides, and I have these in parallel, so all these add up is 4.5 volts, I believe, yeah, and that's enough to power this. This can go up to 12 volts because I added both of them together, and they both can go up to 6 volts, so 12 volts, but this is equal to 9 volts. So I have everything connected up here. I have this saltwater capacitor that I have made literally by myself. I just made all that, and I have more capacitors such as that one, but I have more capacitors just like this one, or even this one. This one doesn't work as much. This is my first one. It's not as insulated on the inside, I guess, whatever, because every single time I do it, it jumps through. Even with just one, it jumps through the dielectric, so obviously it's very weak. Real test, I have the spark gap put through here and here, so you can see a little bit of a ozone or such spark gap, like ozone kind of jumping in between of the things. Yeah, see, this is not a permanent thing, but like I have to use these batteries because I don't know what the thing is with these batteries, but they work perfectly fine. So what I usually do is I just put up to the thing. Can't really hear it, but I have to press it because the back there is not really secured, and I just have tape on it. It's not like everything's secured down. So test, you can see there, keeping the camera kind of farther back, you know, because I don't want it to accidentally put it out, make it go out. But as you can see there, the arcs are going through, and it might actually arc. But with this added, when it gets closer, you can obviously tell the difference. Like the arcs are just faster and way more powerful and everything. And it's just like a regular capacitor, making it more powerful. The source more powerful and everything. But as you can see there, it obviously jumps through, and it creates, and it's a very high voltage. I would say either like these are between 10,000 volts and more like 5,000 volts to 10,000 volts. Pretty much around that range, and they usually say it's 40,000, 400,000, 1 million, and stuff like that, and all that is fake. Okay, that's all fake. If it was that much, 400,000 volts, think about it. The power lines, they run AC 500,000 volts through them, and they need that big gap just for it not to arc through it. I don't know if you could really see it, but it's kind of those arcs right there. So I have a high voltage resistor. I mean, it's more like a 100 volt resistor. Well, you know what I mean, 110 ohm, you know, just any regular resistor, but kind of the big ones. So look what I do if I put it kind of it's just the way that it is. You see those little small arcs coming from it? That's from it stepping down the voltage and creating a lower voltage. So that's it for what I gotta show you guys today. You know, trying to keep the video short, you know what I'm saying, and trying to keep the video simple, you know what I'm saying, just showing you something that I've been working on, and, you know, showing a little experiment, you know, I'm just doing for my own self pleasure, you know, just to make something like arcs, because, you know, I like high voltage and everything, but, you know, I'm bringing this to you guys, and I'm just showing you guys from something I used to do, because I'll leave a link in the description down below from the video that I had before on a review on one of these that I had before that wasn't probably as powerful as this one, as just one of those, because it was more older. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, and bye.